Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Xiaomi 12 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and on your smartphone enter YouTube app. And press the screencast button located at the top of the screen. Select your TV. And now both devices are connected. If you want to disconnect them, again press screencast button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.